all the stars out tonight. It's beautiful. Well, it's very steep. Water's flowing fast. Done a bunch of work out here. I don't know why. Made a little fire pit and cook on. Alright, I just got some charcoal. That's what I'm gonna cook on. There's not much access to any trees down here anymore. They cleaned this all up. This was a real mess. So I expected there to be a bunch of tree limbs and stuff like that, but I brought the charcoal just in case, and we're not ruining any steak. We'll let these coals burn, or this charcoal to burn, and get some hot coals to cook on. It was about 26 degrees out here, so it's pretty cold. Fire feels good. And what I'm gonna cook tonight, just letting the charcoal burn. Get some hot coals, and I'll throw this on the fire along with the couscous. Somebody camping in the back of a Tahoe. Been working on insulating these windows. Try to help keep it a little warmer in here. We'll see how it does. I just added that, so let that fire go. That smells good. There's a creek down there. You want to go swimming?
No, but I want to go skate.
Be careful.
Don't you push me.
It's a deep. You got some nice coals there under the steak. Time for a drink. I'm gonna do a energy drink. I'm already tired. I still want to stay up for a little while. These things are pretty good. I didn't think I would like them when I first saw them. I was like, I'll give it a chance. There wasn't really much any other energy drinks. I was on a road trip. I gave it a shot, and one of my favorites now. I'm not really a big Sour Patch Kids kind of guy, but this drink, they make pretty good drink out of that flavor. So I'll crack one of these open. I'm gonna go sit by this food and watch it cook. Alright, steak's looking pretty good. Couscous is about done. Alright, I found this big rock. Set this on. Cool off a little bit. I'll put it on some tortillas. Alright, a little bit all night. I'm about to get some couscous. The couscous good?
Uh-huh. Mm.
Alright, I need some couscous and some little taco. Trying to stay warm out of this little fire. That's some good stuff. Alright, just put it on a little foam padding for the mattress topper. Those stains are from the sun. It's not what it looks like, I promise. I'm gonna throw a little blanket over top of it. Just throw a whoopee over top of it. Yeah, I leave all this stuff inside. I got that tote up there and I got another tote. I leave most of this camping stuff in here, so usually ready to go camping comfortably. I keep survival stuff in here. So yeah, I'll fix that once I get in. A lot of times I'll take that case and set it outside, but I don't really want to here. I got the Tahoe running. We're gonna warm it up, get everything nice and warm because I've had the doors open, moving stuff around and cooking and all that. Let's see how long it lasts before I gotta turn it on and heat it up again. Pretty surprised I'm staying pretty warm just by these coals here. I've got a t-shirt on, I've got a flannel on, and then I got another like flannel jacket. It's insulated with the hood. It's doing pretty good. And the pants just have some Woodland BDUs, some athletic shorts, of course underwear. One car go across this bridge since I've been here. I don't know, an hour and a half maybe. There's a golf club. I was sitting here, saying about to go in. There's a golf club over here. I don't know how I didn't see that earlier. That's funny. Alright. Well, got to go jump in the truck, or Tahoe. And I call it a night and I do a little editing on the video here. Maybe give y'all temperature for you guys, let you know what the temperature's gonna be. What the temperature is. Then I'll get up in the morning, maybe make a fire, may just pack up and go home. So I'm sure it's gonna be miserable. But this is kind of a last minute little trip put together like 5 o'clock. Decided, I think I'm gonna go camping. So everything is in the truck pretty much except food and drinks. Everything else I keep in there. So usually stay prepared. Good enough to make it several days or a week. All I need is some food. I got everything to filter water. Get a little bit of water in there. But alrighty, gotta hit the hay. Alright, got a little table, use that as a table. Put that up to help kind of block that front off, help keep the heat in. We're gonna see. I don't have a heater, so we'll see how well this does. Right now it's pretty toasty. Yes, we are prepared. If Any crazy meth heads out here. Got a AR there. 1911 in that bailout bag with plenty of magazines. And a little 22 mag revolver, little pocket revolver. So I'd say we're pretty good. All right, right now it is 24 degrees. It's supposed to get down to 19, so we'll see how this does. I imagine I'll probably be starting a truck up here in a couple hours, warming it up. Probably won't get much sleep, but we'll see. All right, it's about 4:30 morning. We started again. Let's see. It's 12 now. Get to run in about 30 minutes. Nice and warm in here. Alright. It's about 9:50. I woke up about every hour and a half, 2 hours. I'm gonna start the truck, warm it up. Here's the creek. I've seen this thing actually come up out of the creek and flood the road up here. Back when we got a bunch of rain several years ago. Wish there was a easy spot to get down there. And it's about 26 degrees this morning. Once the sun come out in Tahoe, it stayed warm. I didn't have to restart it. So made a big difference. I noticed one of the doors was cracked a little bit, didn't get shut all the way, so that didn't help any. Might have to come back here again. Go camping down there. It's not so cold. Get my stuff down there. It's beautiful. Take a tent. Could listen to that all night. Alright, gonna have some leftovers from last night for breakfast. And we're gonna pack up and head home. Alright, we're all packed up and about to head out. Thanks for watching.